Hi everyone, welcome to SSB Education. Today we will solve problem x plus y equals 10 is the first equation and xy equals 100 is the second equation. We have to solve it for the value of x and y. Before starting the video, please like, share, comment and do not forget to press the bell icon. So we will start solving this question. We can write our first equation as x equals 10 minus y. So we can write it as the third equation. We have subtract the y on both sides, so we get x equals 10 minus y. We will put this value of x in our second equation, or we can rearrange this second equation to put the value of y here. So we put the value of this x in the second equation, so it will become xy equals to 100, where x is 10 minus y times y equals 100. So it's a 10 into y, 10y minus y square equals to 100. Now we will subtract 100 on both sides. We will get 10y minus y square minus 100 equals to 100 minus 100, 0. We will multiply on both sides by negative 1, so we get y square minus 10y plus 100 equals to 0. Here this is a quadratic equation. We have to use the quadratic formula to solve this. Here a is equal to 1, b is minus 10 and c is 100. So the formula is, here we will use y equals minus b plus minus b square minus 4 times a times c all over 2a. So we will put the values of a, b, c in the above equation. It's a minus 10 plus 10 plus minus 10 square is 100 minus 4 into a is 1 into c is 100 all over 2 over a is 1. So y will be 10 plus minus 100 minus 400 is minus 300 all over 2. So y will be 10 plus minus, it can be written as 10 square root of 3 iota all over 2. Now we take common 10. It will be 10 equals 1 plus minus square root of 3 iota all over 2. So y1 will be 5 plus 5 square root of 3 iota. Two values of y2 is 5 minus 5 square root of 3 iota. So we get two values of y. Now we'll put these values of y in our third equation to get the values of x. Now x will be 10 minus 5, we put y1, 10 minus 5 minus 5 square root of 3 iota. So x1 will be 5 minus 5 square root of 3 iota. Now for x2 it's a 10 minus y2. So putting the y2 value 10 minus 5 minus plus 5 square root of 3 iota. So x2 will be 5 plus 5 square root of 3 iota. So we get the values of x and y. So our x1, y1 will be 5 minus 5 square root 3 iota and 5 plus 5 square root 3 iota. And our x2, y2 will be 5 plus 5 square root 3 iota, and y2 is 5 minus 5 square root of 3 iota. I have combined all the answers of x1, y1, x2, y2. Now we'll check whether our solution is correct or not. So we will put the values of x and y in any equation. We take the second equation. Now let's say we take first equation, x plus y equals 10. We put the value of x1 here, 5 minus 5 square root 3 iota. Put the values of y1, it's 5 plus 5 square root 3 iota equals to 10. Here you can see this cancel with this, and 10 equals to 10. If we put the values of x, y in our second equation to check whether it's true or not, we put x2 and y2 here. x2 is 5 plus 5 square root 3 iota, and y2 is 5 minus 5 square root 3 iota equals to 100. 5 into 5, 25. 5 into 5 minus 25 square root 3 iota plus 25 square root 3 iota, and this plus 5 square root 3 iota minus 5 square root 3 iota is plus 75 equal to 100. This cancel with this. 100 equals to 100. It means our both the values of x1, y1, x2, y2 are truly correct. So this is the final solution of this question, how we can solve these two equations. So thank you for watching my video.